guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Ubagangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula yesterday had an urgent meeting at Luthuli House with the Secretary General of COSATU, leadership of NEHAWU, led by its president Mike Shingane, and ANC's KZN SG Bheki Mtolo. The said meeting was to address the relationship between NEHAWU and ANC KZN.
This morning, we convened a meeting to address the challenges that have polarized the relations between the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal and the National Education, Health and Allied Workers Union, and to put the matter to bed. We therefore resolved that Comrade Bheki Mtolo, the Provincial Secretary of the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal, will issue an unconditional apology to NEHAWU and retract the unfortunate remarks he made.
Bheki Mtolo has apologized in a statement, I quote, after a thorough political discussion and wise counsel from the ANC Secretary General and General Secretary of COSATU, I wish to unconditionally apologize to NEHAWU, its leadership and entire membership. I wish to unreservedly withdraw these statements which created an environment of mistrust and unnecessary provocation, unquote. Knowing uBheki Mtolo, I wonder how long this will play out. I wonder how long will Umtolo along the way. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, don't skip the ads, and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye.